This is Dad Random, and I am making a little return trip to a place that is pretty historic around here. A place called Fort Pearce.
Now that wasn't such a bad march, was it, Sarge?
No, Joe. Just routine, just everyday, simple, little old routine. Which way's the fort?
It's just kind of cool. But it's been a while since I've been out here, so I'm just coming out to check to see how the spring's running, if it's a little bit different than last year. This is the...
Sarge. Huh? All for quiet.
Fort Pearce?
I don't know, Joe. I don't like it. Bugler, sound officer's call.
Hey, we see people down there, don't we?
Get the women and children in the mess halls!
Pretty small. But forts were just places for people generally to sleep. The different views. Not that way. You can see you get a great vantage point over the valley. And it's Sunday and it's really busy, but it's pretty cool. Very, very pretty place, but once the heat starts to take hold of this place, it will be a lot more difficult to come out here, especially this time of day. This is the worst part of the day, but a lot of kids like to come out here, so pretty cool, huh? Dad Random, Fort Pearce. My return trip, check out my other video, and got another one where I spent a little more time in here, but yes, Dad Random, Fort Pearce.
I'd say camp right here, Captain. No signs out there, no sound. Of course, they could be there.
Or maybe aren't.
Your choice, Captain. I'm only supposed to tell you what I don't hear, what I don't see, what I think. That's what the Army pays me for. Be a scout.
What about that water hole?
Hasn't moved, Sarge. We don't make it, so we get thirsty. So we swallow sand.